On this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about our new website here at Excellent Supply. It's been long overdue and we've worked really hard on putting something special together. So stick around, I'd like to show that to you now. You may have wondered where we've been lately with NCAP TV. I've missed a few episodes, a few weeks have gone by. It's not because I've been ignoring NCAP TV, it's because I've been burning the candle at both ends working on the new Excellent Supply website. It took a lot of work, a lot of behind the scenes to get everything in place, but we're really happy with how things have turned out. So let's dive in and I'll show you a few of the new features of the new Excellent Supply website. So let's start the journey by looking at the old Excellent Supply. So this is the site you've been familiar with. This is the site that we've had for really quite a few years. We've changed the look of it, but the shopping cart platform that we've been riding on is about a decade old, and the back end of it was starting to really show some shortcomings. So we wanted to see what we could do to improve things. So there's the old Excellent Supply, so we'll just kind of throw that up as a point of reference. And here we are with the new Excellent Supply website. And as you can see right off the bat, it is a lot cleaner. Now starting right up at the top, we have our regular specials up here at the top. Scrolling down the page, we have our categories: chemicals, equipment, pads and bonnets, accessories, hard surface, parts. So you can just real quickly dial right into what you're looking for. We also have some of our featured brands down below that. And then scrolling down the page, we get into our video section for our NCAP TV. So there's a featured video, and then going a little further, our NCAP blog posts. So there you can check out some of our blog posts to help you with your commercial carpet cleaning. Below that, we have featured products. So some of the featured products that we're featuring right now, and some, for example, right now we're looking at some disinfecting type products because of the coronavirus. Below that, we have a testimonials banner, and you can just kind of flip through that. As you can see, you can look at some of the different testimonials that people have stated about us. So that's just kind of interesting. So that's just kind of a quick bird's eye view of the homepage. Another thing that we really dialed in and improved on with the new site is the search feature. So if we come up here to the top and we get into the search, our old site was a little clunky when we'd search for something. Our new one is so much better. It's really refined in the way that it searches. So let's type in, we're going to look for some Fiber Plus pads, but I'm going to misspell that word to Fiberb instead of Fiber Plus. And it knows, it's smart enough to know that if I type in the word Fiberb, for example, that I was really looking for Fiber Plus, and it pulls it up anyway. So let's continue our Fiber Plus, and now we're looking at all the Fiber Plus, which is kind of a lot to look at. I could click view results right here and get them all, but I'm looking for some 8-inch Fiber Plus pads. So I've got the word Fiber Plus, and I just type in the number 8, and boom, there's my 8-inch Fiber Plus pads, and also a Cymex machine as a reference point because it takes the 8-inch Fiber Plus pads. So we'll go ahead and click on the 8-inch Fiber Plus and see how that loads. Let's go ahead and add those to our cart now. So you'll see that real quickly it popped up there to the cart. Now I can go out and view the cart, or I can continue shopping. So we're going to go ahead and back out to the front. Let's go ahead and do some chemical shopping next. We're going to grab a case of NCAP Clean DS2. We'll add that to the cart. And next, let's just kind of scroll down, see if there's anything else we like. You know what? I think maybe we'll go ahead and grab ourselves a case of NCAP Spot too while we're at it. So let's go ahead and get that loaded. Okay, so we're out here to our home page now, and you'll see back in our cart, we are looking at a case of NCAP Spot, a case of NCAP Clean DS2, and a case of Fiber Plus pads. Down on the bottom of the shopping cart page, you'll also see how much shipping it's going to cost to get these products delivered to us. So what our shipping rates would be for a case of NCAP Spot, NCAP Clean DS2, and a case of pads. That's down here at the bottom, and some different breakdowns. Of course, when you get to the checkout, you'll be able to put your exact shipping information in. But another nice feature is up here at the top. It shows how far we are away from free shipping. So right now I am $72.79 away from free shipping. So if I was to change this and refresh it, let's go out to the home page so that I can get a refresh on that bar. Congratulations, your order qualifies for free shipping. So that's a nice feature. Additionally, The tracking information that you'll receive is much better than we had on our old shopping cart platform. Additionally, if you come to the front page under About, you can scroll down and click on Tracking, put your order number in and your email and click Track, and you're going to be able to get nice tracking information on this order. So those are a few of the key new features. It's just cleaner, simpler. We think the user experience is going to be much better over what we had with our old site. One more thing I wanted to show you before we finish up is if you log in as a customer, so you go up here to the top and log in. So you're logged in. Now I'm logged in as a test customer. We're going to come down here to this little section down here, NCAP Cash Rewards. Click on that and it's going to show me how I can redeem points. Now this customer has 1,591 rewards points. And if I click ways to redeem down here, I can use any of these coupons and apply it. Now you'll notice some of these coupons down on the bottom I'm not qualified for because I don't have that many points, but I could use as many as 1,500 NCAP Cash Rewards points and get a $30 off coupon. So for the sake of this illustration, let's just grab a $10 off. Now we notice we've got 1,591 NCAP Cash Rewards points. So if I take a $10 off coupon, we're going to see that go down to 1,091, and then I can either copy this for putting it into the cart or click apply code, and that will take it right off of my order. So when I go now to this order that's in the cart and go to checkout, I'm getting my free shipping, I'm getting some rewards points. So again, just some ways that we can help you save money. And as you look right here on the home page about maxing your NCAP, really that's what we're dialed in here at Excellent Supply to do, to help you with your business and help you max your NCAP. If there's anything we can do to assist you along those lines, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I hope you've found this interesting, and you'll see what I've been busy working hard on for the last few weeks, putting this new site together. I hope you like it. We've certainly put our heart into it, and we think it's going to be something you're going to enjoy. So thanks for watching this episode of NCAP TV.